guys, back to the fish room. I thought today I'd do an update on my ADA Nature Cube 20. As you can see, I changed the scape from what it was last. I had a bit of a fish incident. I put some sparkling gouramis in there and they disappeared on me. So eventually it turned out that the filter ate them. So I had to get some more. You'll see them swimming around every now and then. So what I've done in the meantime is I've added some Nana Anubias Pangolino. There is some Bucephalandra, I think it's the Thea, or no, the deep purple, I'm not too sure, can't remember. And then lots of Christmas moss, and in the front bottom you'll see some Monte Carlo growing, and corner left you'll see Cryptocorin compacta. So I'll zoom in a little bit for you so you can see close up. Everything here is mainly on the wood and on rock. And here's the Christmas moss and the compactor in the left corner. And the Monte Carlo in front there. I used ADA Light and I found it to be quite user friendly. I didn't get the bad ammonia spikes or any kind of bad algae while setting up. There's the Buse, and I'll show you the back as well. You can see through the back there. I added some Dixa japonica. So all in all, I had trouble with the one type of Buse that it didn't like the new ammonia, so it started melting, much the same as a crypt would do. And so I took that out and it has recovered, and I've put back some of the Buse and it seems to be much better now. And the ground cover is slowly and surely, but it's coming there. I don't have any CO2 in the tank, so growth will be a lot slower than what you would expect with having CO2. Here you can see the sparkling gourami. And as fertilizer I use the, I'll show you close up here. You won't be able to read nicely there. ADA Nature Aquarium Green Brighty Neutral K. And then this one which is the ADA Green Brighty Mineral. As you can see, I've used quite a bit already. So overall the fish are very happy in here. and I must say I quite like what it looks like. I've got a rock at the left hand side, and in the wood just leaning over that. There you can see the blixa at the back. A little bit of string algae, but that's easy enough to remove. And a piece of wood there. And as you can see, the moss, the Physidens moss here in the middle. All of the plants seem to be quite happy. So guys, yes, I used the full ADA substrate system with the power sand and the Bacter 100 and the Clear Super and the Tourmaline BC, and then the Amazonia light on top. And yeah, I'm quite happy with the result, and also with the quality of the build of this tank. I mean, it's amazing. You know, you compare it to your knockoffs, Starfire tanks. It's just not the same. I know it's a bit more pricey, but definitely worth saving up and getting one. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and please share my videos to the people you think will benefit, and I'll see you next time.